Alright, today I have a Eufy by Anchor Robovac, and what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to replace the battery on this Robovac. As you can see, I have the Robovac upside down. It's sitting belly up, belly side up, and I'm going to access the battery, which is under this panel in the center right here. Now this panel shows a battery icon right here. That shows that's where the battery is. And then there's arrows pointing at where the screws that need to be removed in order to access the panel. Now, what I tend to do is they have two side sweeping brushes on the side right here. And instead of taking these off, I just move them to the side so I have clear access to the panel. And then I get a Phillips screwdriver, and then I come in here and I unscrew these screws for to access the panel. So I'm going to take this and unscrew them. They're not too tough. Take those two, and then I can go ahead and remove these, and then just take this, pull this panel up, pull it up right here, and inside is the battery. Now what I do is I just take these little flaps right here, pull them up like this, just a little bit, to where this is exposed right here. Now it's in here with some clips, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the clips, I'm gonna press them forward, press them in, and pull the latch out. That didn't work. I'm gonna pull this. Actually, I'm going to come to the side. I'm going to pull this up, and there's latches right here. And then if you look on the side right here, there's one latch right here. I'm going to take my finger, and I'm just going to press on it. And when I press, it lifts up, and then this comes out easily, just like that. And then I can take the old battery, discard of it properly, and then get the new battery, and then make sure it lines up into this side on here like this, and then slide it in. And it's supposed to snap into place. You can hear it. It's going to click into place. Clicked into place. It's secure. Then take the battery and put it back in the same way it came out, just like that. Make sure the cable's in the right place. Replace the panel like that. And then put the screws in place. Put the screws in place, screw them down, and after you screw these down, the battery has been replaced. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.